Dear students, good evening. Today let us talk about many people fail in their life, but nobody knows what is the real reason for failure. There are several reasons for failure. I would like to read the following reason for failure in our life so we have to rectify that failure. The first reason is shyness and fear. Shyness and fear is a big problem for success. Suppose person have more shyness and fear, he cannot attend rebound, he cannot talk in public, he cannot give any speech in public. So this should be eradicated from our mind. Then only we can achieve success. Actually, shyness and fear are our enemies. First you understand. Destroy every fear in your mind. Then only you can achieve success. Suppose you are going to invest some money in the business. You have fear. It may be collapse. The business may be failure. Then you can't be success. So with more confidence and fearless, then you can achieve success. Next reason, ill health. Suppose a person have ill health, he cannot achieve success in life. Salvation, the treatment of doctors and medicine. Such a person cannot do anything in the life. He cannot achieve success in life. So it must be healthy person. Healthy body. A sound mind and sound body means healthy person. Then only we can achieve success in life. Otherwise it is impossible. Success can be achieved only through a healthy person. Third one, superstitions and false ideas. Superstition means many people, even in Western countries and Gulf countries, in India, all over the world, people have superstition. I've seen in some other places. Suppose man going to office, on the way, he cat crossed on the road, he returned home. He says, today, the problem in the office. He never go to the office and returned home. This type of superstitions never help to come up in our life. This is total failure. So eradicate your superstition and false ideas from your mind. Next one, pessimistic attitude. You see things, everything happening for the goodness. Don't be a pessimistic attitude. Always optimistic attitude leads to a person for success. A pessimist cannot achieve anything in this world. He always finds and thinks about the neighbors should not come up. He always observes the wrong side. He never sees the right side. He cannot utter any good thing from his tongue. No positive mind. Such a person is called pessimistic or pessimistic attitude. That person cannot achieve success in life. Next one, lack of confidence. Confidence is most important in every field. Around that, we want common sense. We have 5 senses. 5 senses means taste, smell, hear, and other 6th sense is called common sense. That is most important for success. That is coming suddenly in our brain. So, confidence and common sense are strictly connected. This is also good for success in our life. Next one, insufficient education. Some people are highly educated, but they are not able to utilize that education in the proper ways and means. That's a failure. So are highly qualified, but they don't know how to utilize that knowledge in the life. Such people cannot achieve life. So this and the things wrong selection of life partner or business partner. Suppose you got everything. Your life partner, wife or husband, is a negative minded person. It cannot come up in your life. You cannot, there is no any movement in your life, totally failure. So be careful while selecting life partner during the marriage, before marriage. See, thousand time, my husband or my wife is suitable for my life. So see, you doesn't get any support from a negative type of life partner. Similarly, when you select business partner, he should be very positive minded. He should not be a lazy person. Such occasion, he cannot achieve success. So, life partner, business partner must be positive minded and supportive. Then only we can achieve success in life. Next one, laziness. A lazy person cannot achieve anything in this world. He always try to create time for sleeping, taking food, then goes to bed day and night. Such person is called lazy person or couch potato. Simply sitting in the home, watching television and find fault with others. Such persons cannot do actually anything in this life. So these qualities you should be changed and always welcome the positive qualities. Then only we can achieve success. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.